Okay, I got you off the tripod. I'm just gonna walk you up the ladder here and show you. I just stripped the wire back, not very far, and then I wrapped the black around this. Wrapped it around a little bit and put some electrical tape around there. Just wrap the white and ground wire. I'm going to reuse the white and ground wire and the black wire once I get it back up over there, right? I don't like wasting wire. And that's why, could I have measured this out and thought, okay, it's 8 feet. Okay, I'll make it 10 feet. Foot coming down through there, foot coming in the box. I don't do that. I just pull it out, and then I get out enough over there, and then I'll cut it after I have it. Because if I say, oh, let's just cut it 12 feet, and you only need 10 feet, you just wasted 2 feet of your wire. And if you do that, then make sure if you have 2 feet left, 16 inches left, leave those for pigtails. And I always save stuff like that for later. If you need a pigtail for a ground wire, or for a black wire, or for a white wire, and then I just leave it in my bag. So I got all kinds of different little things, and then see, I've got some little wire there, and just different knickknacks that I save, because I never know when I'm going to need something. I don't like saying, oh, I'll just throw that away, and if I ever need a pigtail, I'll just pull it off the end of a 250-foot roll. That's okay. Well, I don't like doing that, because now you just waste an extra foot. Have you ever priced wire at the hardware store nowadays for 14.2 with ground, let's say, for a foot? It'd knock your socks off. And that's why another reason why, if you buy it in bulk, you save yourself a lot of money. This was 250 feet. And granted, this ceiling fan project's only going to take maybe 10 feet of that. Well, the last ceiling fan project took 15 feet. The last ceiling fan project before that took 15 feet. The project before that was running all the wire underneath the floor and adding light fixtures and all that. And so I never know what my next project's going to be. And that's why I always have a nice little roll of that. And because I know I'm always going to get to a project that I know I'm going to end up using some more. Okay, there's a tip from me. Okay, so now I've got this set up. I rolled some of that back in the little roll, and as I pull it, I want to make sure this doesn't get tangled up. I'm just going to pull it nice and easy, right back through there, get myself set up, and that'll be my next step. Well, I can cross that one off my list. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.